Jai Hind. Today's lecture we will study introduction of logic families. There are two type of semiconductor devices. One is bipolar and second one is unipolar. How we can differentiate between bipolar and unipolar semiconductor devices? In the case of bipolar semiconductor devices, flow of current is due to both majority and minority charge carrier. Example of bipolar semiconductor devices are diode and transistor. In the case of diode and transistor, flow of current occur due to both holes and electrons. Second one is unipolar. In the case of unipolar, flow of current occur only due to majority charge carrier. The example of unipolar are FET and MOSFETs. Based on bipolar and unipolar devices, digital integrated circuit, that is IC, have been made which are commercially available. Various digital functions are being fabricated in a variety of forms using bipolar and unipolar technologies. Now I will give introduction of logic family, a group of compatible ICs with the same logic levels and supply voltage for performing various functions have been fabricated using a specific circuit configuration which is referred to as a logic family. In short, logic family consisting of different compatible IC with the same logic level and supply voltage for performing various digital functions have been fabricated using a circuit configuration. Logic family are two types. One is bipolar logic family, second one is unipolar logic family. In the case of bipolar logic family, main elements are diode and transistor. It is a bipolar logic. In the case of bipolar semiconductor devices, flow of current is occur due to both majority and minority charge carrier. Unipolar logic family is also known as metal oxide semiconductor. In the case of unipolar semiconductor, flow of current is occur only due to majority charge carrier, either hole or electrons. Generally, MOSFETs are employed in most logic circuits. Of class, you can further divide bipolar logic family in two types. One is saturated, second one is non-saturated. बाइपोलर में जो मेन कंपोनेंट होता है वो ट्रांजिस्टर होता है. ट्रांजिस्टर वर्क इन थ्री रीजन. वन इज एक्टिव, सेकंड वन इज कट ऑफ, and third one is saturation region. In the case of saturated region, transistor operate in saturation region. In same way, in non-saturated region, transistor operate in active and cut-off region. Simply in saturated, transistor in IC are driven in saturation region. In non-saturated, transistor are not driven in saturation region. Simply transistor operate in either active or cut-off mode in the case of non-saturated bipolar logic family. There are different type of bipolar saturated logic families. One is resistor transistor logic family. Second one is direct coupled transistor logic family, that is DCTL. Third one is integrated injection logic family, that is I2L. Fourth one is diode transistor logic family. Fifth one, high threshold logic, that is HTL logic family. Sixth one, transistor logic family, which is also known as TTL. These are the example of bipolar non-saturated logic family. One is Schottky TTL logic family. Second one is emitter coupled logic family. These are the example of unipolar logic family. This is PMOS. In the case of PMOS, we will use P-channel MOSFET. In the case of NMOS, we will use N-channel MOSFET. And this is a CMOS, complementary MOSFET. In this case, we will use both P-channel and N-channel MOSFETs. अब क्लास, अगर हमें कोई डिजिटल फंक्शन को इंप्लीमेंट करना है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हमें कोई डिजिटल सर्किट डिजाइन करना है तो उस केस में हम डिफरेंट आईसी यूज करेंगे। फॉर एग्जाम्पल दीज आर द 3 आईसीज 1 2 3। अगर इन 3 आईसीज में जो मैं कंपोनेंट यूज करूंगा, अगर मैं रजिस्टर ट्रांजिस्टर लॉजिक फैमिली के कंपोनेंट यूज करता हूं तो उस केस में ये तीनों आईसी एक दूसरे के कंपैटिबल होंगे। कंपैटिबल का मतलब फर्स्ट आईसी की आउटपुट को हम सेकंड आईसी की इनपुट में भी यूज कर सकते हैं, इसी तरह से थर्ड आईसी की आउटपुट को हम फर्स्ट और सेकंड आईसी की इनपुट में भी यूज कर सकते हैं। सिंपली द डिफरेंट आईसी which we will design in same logic family, the all IC will compatible to each other. Classification of digital IC. We can divide digital IC in 4 types. One is small scale integration, second one is medium scale integration, third one is large scale integration, fourth one is very large scale integration. This is first division, that is equivalent individual basic gate. अब क्लास, अगर IC में मैं डिफरेंट बेसिक गेट्स यूज करता हूं, सिंपली आई एम कंसीडरिंग 2 इनपुट NAND गेट. NAND gate is a universal gate. With the help of NAND gate, we can design any other gates and logic function. SSI के केस में सिंगल चिप में हम लेस देन 12 NAND गेट यूज करेंगे। इसी तरह से MSI के केस में सिंगल IC में बिटवीन 12 टू 99 NAND गेट यूज करेंगे। लार्ज स्केल इंटीग्रेशन के केस में बिटवीन 100 टू 999 NAND गेट हम यूज करेंगे। इसी तरह से BLSI के केस में मोर देन 1000 टू इनपुट NAND गेट हम IC में यूज करेंगे। अब ये जो डिवीजन है अकॉर्डिंग टू बेसिक गेट्स हैं और हमने 2 इनपुट NAND गेट को कंसीडर किया है। इसी तरह से ये जो NAND गेट्स हैं, NAND गेट्स को भी डिजाइन करने के लिए डिफरेंट कंपोनेंट चाहिए। तो नंबर ऑफ कंपोनेंट इन द केस ऑफ SSI, अगर हम सिंगल चिप में अप टू 99 कंपोनेंट यूज करते हैं, देन दिस इज एग्जांपल ऑफ SSI. MSI के केस में सिंगल चिप में अप टू 100 टू 999 कंपोनेंट हम यूज करते हैं। इसी तरह से LSI के केस में सिंगल चिप में जो हम कंपोनेंट यूज करेंगे वो इस रेंज में यूज करेंगे। इसी तरह BLSI के केस में सिंगल IC में मोर देन 10,000 कंपोनेंट हम यूज करेंगे।